Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today we're going to use this beautiful vase to create a design. Now, it's quite striking and it feels quite kind of seasonal and autumnal, and I quite like that. The other thing that I've got that I've found recently, and it's been in a cupboard for ages, is this roll of ribbon. So it's really a wire and cane sort of combination to make a ribbon. But I just think it's really interesting, and what you can do with it is you can fold it into different things. So it literally comes in rolled up like that, but once you start to unroll it, you can see that there's lots of potential in the actual shapes that's within the cane itself. So straight away, just combining the two, we've got something that's really quite interesting. The other thing I wanted to use was a little bit of dried material, and then we're going to add some fresh. So we're really creating an autumnal arrangement using a combination of materials, but really focusing on the space and the height that this vase lets us have. So I like the way that that's sitting there. We can just have a little play with this bit. And this is the great thing about this wire that's in this ribbon, is that it lets us allow it to sit really, really well. So straight away we've created depth, but we've also got spaces as well. And when we add our materials here, this will catch this and secure it. But I also really liked these dried sunflowers. So we're going to just pop them on as well. So I think sometimes you have to kind of look at materials and think, what do I have and how can I best combine these? So the sunflowers I think are quite interesting, and there's no reason why you can't combine them with fresh materials as well. So for our fresh materials, I've got a little bit of aspidistra. I've got a couple of leaves that came off my grapevine, and I also have a little bit of chrysanthemum. So this is one that has been growing away in the garden quite happily, and just a couple of dahlias that are really the last of my dahlias at the moment. So not a huge amount of material. What we have to be conscious of as well is that this is not a particularly big neck in the vase, so we need to be careful that we don't overload it. So we can add our materials. So what we're looking for is really just to create something that's quite balanced. And a little bit interesting. So as I say, now I'm adding these materials. This is actually holding that wire on. You can see that that's catching it quite easily and quite well. And obviously this vase would be filled with water. And our dahlias are really our big heavy elements, so we'll add them. This is where you definitely need your glasses. And then we can look at our chrysanthemums. So as long as there's water all the way up to the neck, then it's not a problem that maybe some materials have only got a short stem, some materials have got a long stem. As long as water is reaching all those stems, that's the main thing. And even with this, actually, what we can do is we can take a stem like this and trim it down so that we still have a long stem rather than a short stem. But I just loved these chrysanthemums, and they've been absolutely magnificent. Someone's gran gave me a couple of little bits that she dug up, and I popped them in, and they've just been magnificent, and I've not had to do anything with them. They've just happily grown away all summer. They look quite boring, and then you can start to see that they're beginning to develop their flowers, and then pow, suddenly you've got two big balls of chrysanthemums absolutely covered in flowers. The bees are just going mad for it, and they're great, but also great because I can use them for some flower arranging as well. Yeah, so there we go. We've just added that punch of colour, and these colours are really picking up on the colours that are in our vase. We've got height, we've got space, and if you wanted, you could always create like a lower element lower down. It's up to you. It depends where you're going to put it and what you're going to do with it. So maybe an arrangement that would be ideal if you're having a party or having a buffet or on a table as you come into the house. So I hope you've enjoyed today's idea, and I hope that you get creative as well with materials that you can find. If you've enjoyed today's video, click here to subscribe, and if you tap the bell, it keeps you up to date with all our latest videos. We look forward to seeing you again soon.